Hi, and welcome to another video by Jim the Car Guy. Today we're going to be replacing a headlight on this Dodge Durango. So let's get up there and let's get started. Yeah, that's the problem we have. One light's burned out and the other one is good. So alright, so let me bring you in there. I'm going to show you how to do it. Now, I'm sure you're looking at it saying, how the heck are you going to get your hand in there? It is really tight. What we'll need to do is to go down through this area down here. I'm going to try to get my hand in there. I'll show you what I'm going to do. You're going to get your hand down in through here and come around onto the light itself. Alright, you bring your hand in here, this way here. Reach the bulb. We're going to turn it. And then the bulb comes out just like this. And I am going to need two hands to do this. You know, let me bring it up here. I'll show you. This bulb is dead anyway, so it doesn't really matter. You never want to do this with a bulb that you're going to be reusing. But basically, let's see. These little clips on the side right here, you lift up that clip right there, and you lift up the other clip on the side there like this, and it comes right out. So I am going to need two hands to do this, so let me see if I can show you. Just like that, and this one just like this, and it comes right out like that. And now to put this bulb back in, you're going to take the bulb like this, you're going to put the bulb this way, put the bulb in, and then you rotate it down and lock it in place. It is a tight squeeze down there. One thing you never want to do is you never want to touch this filament part of the light bulb with your fingers. If you touch this, the bulb is going to prematurely burn out and you're going to have a problem. So let me grab the new bulb and we're going to put it back in. This we're going to do later on once we get the bulb back in this location. So let me grab the new one and we'll continue. Okay, this is our new bulb. We're not going to touch that filament like I said. So I'm going to reach down in through that bottom spot down there and I'm going to get my arm up in there and put the bulb back in. So let me do that and hopefully you can see. And then what I said, don't touch the bulb. You're going to hold it only from the back like this. Okay. And once we get the bulb in there, we just turn it. It locks in place. We're going to grab our electrical harness previously had. We're going to take this plug right here and we're going to put it right back onto the light bulb. We're going to wait for it to snap like that, and then that light bulb is done. So let's go turn it on to make sure. Alright, as you can see, that bulb is in. Okay, well, as you can see, it's a little bit tight getting your hands in there, but the main thing is just make sure when you do these light bulbs, do not touch this part of it with your fingers, otherwise it'll be burning out. You'll be changing this bulb within a week. Alright, so that's it. You're all done. Alright, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.